There are multiple ways to pay yourself from your business, but most freelancers only know one. Seriously. Hi, I'm Mr. Nuts, and this is Cocoverse. In Cocoverse, there are no peanuts or other nuts, except for me and my family of coconuts. In the fifth part of my series Business 101, I show you how you can withdraw your profits correctly without wasting any money or paying excessive taxes. Many freelancers, digital nomads, and solopreneurs only know one way of paying themselves. Just making a transfer to your personal account and that's it. But that is not the only way. There are a couple of ways. Some business owners pay themselves a salary just like employees. While this is a simple way to do it, the burden comes from managing a payroll even for yourself. This is why many take dividends on a regular basis. For example, every quarter. Dividends are handy when you make a profit irregularly, sometimes more, sometimes less. This way, you never get stuck with paying yourself a regular salary. Very handy. However, to pay yourself dividends, you must have the right company structure. The single-member LLC that I keep telling you about does not support dividends. No can do. By default, a single-member LLC is treated as a disregarded entity for federal tax purposes. That means the IRS sees no separation between you and the business when it comes to income taxes. So, instead of receiving payroll or dividends, you take an owner's draw. An owner's draw is simply this: transferring money from your LLC bank account into your personal bank account. That's it. There is no payroll tax withholding, no W-2, and no corporate dividend. It counts as your personal income, since you run a single-member LLC. By the way, this is my grandma. Grandmothers always have time to talk and make you feel like a special coconut. Moving on. There's no IRS rule limiting how often you take money out. You can transfer funds weekly, pay yourself monthly, or take irregular withdrawals only when needed. And no payroll. Your draw is not a business expense. It does not reduce your business profit, which you will be taxed on an individual level. Your owner's draws are your taxable income. Now, this gets pretty funky when you are a non-American living outside the United States. All you need to do is declare your owner's draws as your income. Really simple and efficient. And as I mentioned earlier, some countries have different rules for foreign-based income. Go check how this works in your country, and start making crazy profits. Even though the IRS ignores the LLC for income tax, it does not ignore your bookkeeping. So, for compliance purposes, count every dollar and every cent, and put them into these two categories. You have to get this right by the cent from the start. Otherwise, you get into trouble with the tax authorities in the US. And probably in your country of residence too. And lastly, make sure you do not make these typical mistakes. Never pay personal expenses directly from the business account. This is one of the biggest mistakes LLC owners make. If you buy clothing or other non-business items with the LLC card, you mix personal and business funds. Huge mess. Never call owner's draws salary or payroll. Calling owner's draws as salary is incorrect and can cause payroll tax filing problems. And lastly, never think of the draws as expenses that reduce your taxable income. Get this wrong, and you end up being sued for tax evasion. Probably not worth risking it. And one more thing. Remember to save some of the money for your income tax. Spending all your profits is the surest way to get a panic attack when the day to pay your personal taxes comes. Actually, there's one way how rich people never pay income tax. They don't take any money from their businesses. They take a loan instead, and use their assets as collateral. Well, this might not apply to you, but it's a fun trick to be aware of. Or maybe you are the next multi-millionaire in the making. If you wish to incorporate a company and run it remotely, go to cocoverse.lol, where you'll find affiliate links that give you a nice discount on company registration with First Base. Just scroll down the page to the affiliate links section. Next time, we start a new series on how doing business actually works. So, see you soon again in Cocoverse. Now, back to bed.